I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Update Windows and install. Any TSO drivers install cleanly. Once done, plug your PS5 controller via USB-C or hold Share plus PS to enter Bluetooth pairing. Make sure Windows recognizes the device briefly. This prevents driver conflicts. Next, unzip DS4windows into a dedicated folder and run it as administrator the first time because the installer must register services. This first step gets your PC ready to map the DualSense inputs accurately. Now you configure DS4windows so games see the controller correctly. First, accept prompts to install the Vi gem driver. It emulates an Xbox controller which most games recognize. Then create or import a profile, map face buttons, sticks, triggers, and touchpad actions to match your intent. Adjust dead zones and stick sensitivity to eliminate drift, because that improves aim and movement. Once you tweak the light bar and rumble settings, save the profile and set it to auto-load so your layout applies every time. Finish by testing the controller in Steam Big Picture or directly in a game. Verify buttons and triggers act as expected. If something misbehaves, switch modes in DS4windows, toggle X input emulation, because many titles only accept Xbox controllers. If issues persist, repair the controller, reinstall Vi gem drivers, or run DS4windows as administrator to fix permission problems. One key troubleshooting tip: disable Steam input for the game or force Xbox mapping to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.